This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. If you are holding SoFi, Palantir, or any high-growth tech stock right now, do not sell a single share until you watch every second of this video. Every self-proclaimed guru on social media trying to sell you automated AI trading bots are telling you the algorithmic black boxes are going to make you rich, are selling you a lie. AI bots do not work in a macro environment like this. They get completely liquidated and crushed on CPI volatility. They get flat-footed on Federal Reserve pivots, and they have zero ability to read real institutional dark pool accumulation. While retail gets chopped up using fake AI promises, institutional smart money is quietly executing the biggest repositioning of 2026, and it centers directly on SoFi and Palantir. Let's look at what's happening right now. August 11th, the S&P 500 pushed record highs recently above 7,700 despite shocking labor data that's showing 23,000 jobs lost and 103,000 in negative revisions. And tomorrow, we prepare for the August CPI core inflation print because it drops in just one day. Thursday brings PPI producer prices, and Friday lands retail sales in Michigan consumer sentiment. If you don't understand how this macro domino effect is about to trigger a massive liquidity flow directly into SoFi and Palantir, you're going to watch from the sidelines while Wall Street mints fortunes going into the end of the year. I'm giving you the exact data, the balance sheet numbers, the analyst upgrades, and the institutional flow and blueprint right now. Before we hit the macro breakdown though, mark your calendars. Saturday, August 15th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific time, I'm hosting my Masterclass webinar. I'm opening up my proprietary trading vault, my D-Fibonacci, D-Stochastics RSI, AVP, Squeeze RSI, and my exact dark pool tracking indicators. I'm handing you the institutional fund strategies, technical analysis frameworks, and market psychology secrets that I've built over 10 years working directly at a hedge fund. I have taught over 3,400 students, and hundreds of them have created real long-term wealth using these exact frameworks. Many of them are millionaires now. I also have a massive game-changing announcement that I'm dropping during this webinar, an offer that you cannot afford to miss. This market going into the end of the year is likely going to be insane setup. Spots are strictly limited this time. I'm tightening the enrollment window so I can deliver high-level focus to every single attendee at the webinar. The registration link is in the information box below. Secure your seat right now before it fills up. Let's get right to the data. Now remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Be safe. The market is risky. There's no guarantees. There's a lot of elevated volatility. Be patient, do your own due diligence, and make sure the stocks and strategies I talk about in my videos fit your own personal goals and needs. Be safe. The market, like I said, is very risky. You must be patient and protect your capital. Let's cut straight through the media noise and break down the macro reality that unfolded yesterday. The labor report just hit and it completely blindsided mainstream media. Wall Street was looking for over 80,000 jobs added, and instead, the economy lost 23,000 jobs, and previous months were slammed with 103,000 negative revisions. Those artificially propped up part-time side gigs from the earlier summer officially collapsed off the table. Why did the market rally on jobs loss report though? Because bad economic news is elite news for growth stock. It proves the labor market is cooling fast enough to force the Federal Reserve's hand. Look at Michael Burry and institutional smart money. They've been positioning for this exact sequence. Labor market exhaustion forcing the Fed to abandon hawkish policy, while core economic delivers like ISM manufacturing 55.6% and ISM services at 54.1%, which keep expanding in the background. Add in the Middle East tensions and Iranian conflict, and yes, energy spikes temporarily bump headline CPI and Thursday's PPI numbers. But core inflation, which strips out energy and volatility in food, is protected. The smart money saw right through the energy headlines, bought the dip, and set the stage for Wednesday's CPI print, which is tomorrow. Now, understand how this macro shift flows downstream to the financial institutions and the tech titans like Palantir, Oracle, and SoFi. When interest rates stay high, legacy banks get choked out by high deposit costs and declining loan origination. Tech giants get hit because their cost of capital skyrockets, slowing down enterprise software expansion. But the moment the rate hikes are officially dead and the labor market cool down guarantees they are, the entire dynamic flips on its head. When inflation data confirms cooling on Wednesday, August 12th, which is tomorrow, the Fed is backed into a corner where they have to cut rates to protect employment. What happens when the Fed cuts? Trillions of dollars sitting in low-yield money market accounts get forced right back into high-efficiency digital asset banks and foundational enterprise AI infrastructure. Legacy banks with massive physical overhead get left behind, while hyper-efficient digital-first platforms like SoFi and pure-play AI powerhouse giants like Palantir become absolute vacuum cleaners for the capital. Let's talk specifically about SoFi Technologies. Why are rate cuts about to unleash a massive run in SoFi to the end of the year? Well, SoFi isn't just a fintech. It's a fully licensed digital bank with a massive tech platform and backbone, Galileo and Technisys. High interest rates were a temporary anchor on their personal and loan refinancing segment, but borrowing costs were too elevated for consumers to refinance. It was a big hurdle at times. Now, look at the numbers and the growth acceleration. SoFi is generating over $600 million in quarterly net revenue, growing top-line revenue at over 20% year over year, and pushing GAAP profitability quarter after quarter. They are adding hundreds of thousands of new members every single quarter, pushing their total member base to over 8.5 million. When the Federal Reserve cuts rates in September, SoFi's cost of funds plummets. Their loan refinancing volume explodes and their net interest margin, NIM, expands rapidly, trading at a ridiculously reasonable valuation compared to its hyper-growth trajectory. SoFi's forward PE and price-to-sales multiples are set for massive expansion as Wall Street re-rates it from a regional bank risk to a premium digital compounder. But don't just take my word for it. Look at what major Wall Street analysts are doing behind the scenes with SoFi's ratings. Analysts across major institutions, including Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, and Needham, have been systematically raising their price targets on SoFi, with top-tier targets stretching all the way from $22 upwards of $34 a share. Wall Street consensus is realizing that SoFi's diversified fee-based revenue, their tech platform, and their financial services product suite now makes up nearly half of their total business. That means even before the rate cuts hit, SoFi was firing on all cylinders. As rate cuts solidify after Wednesday's CPI report, most likely, analysts who currently have a hold rating will be forced to issue double upgrades to keep up with the institutional buying pressure. When analyst upgrades pile on top of an expanding GAAP net income, growth stocks don't just walk up, they gap up. And listen, before we break down the next stock, this is exactly why you need to be in my Masterclass webinar this Saturday, August 15th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. I'm going to show you step by step how to track dark pool accumulation in stocks like SoFi and Palantir before these massive breakouts actually happen. I'm opening up my entire institutional suite, D Fibonacci, D stochastic squeeze RSI, AVP indicators, and my psychological and dark pool data. I've taught over 3,400 students, and this Saturday, I'm dropping a major announcement that will completely transform your trading strategy for Q3 and Q4. Spots are strictly limited, and the enrollment window is closing fast. Click the link in the information box below to get registered and secure your seat right now. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a listen to what my student Xander had to say. So today we are here with one of my newest students, Xander. How you doing, Xander?
Good.
Awesome. Glad to hear.
Yeah. So when I was watching other YouTubers, they were really pushing a certain mode of saying oh, you're going to make $1 million, over 500,000 with such a small account, and pushing so many numbers that just seems so unrealistic, where you seem to push a more focused strategy and actually explain stuff more to the point instead of just pushing the Discord. And it just made me pick yours over everyone else's. You didn't try and give unrealistic expectations, right? You actually gave a focused and clear strategy to how we'd make money.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear. And that is the goal.
I originally started with $12,000 when I joined your Discord. I never done options before that. And it's kind of crazy what I'm at now. From $12,000 just a month in your Discord, I'm at just over $104,000. So just unbelievable, life-changing money. It's just crazy.
Wow. So you went from 12,000 over 104,000 in 1 month in the Discord.
Yeah, just unbelievable. I couldn't believe it when I did around 9 trades, and just the amount of success that your trades were and so accurate. It's like 9 out of 9 trades, 104,000 from 12. I couldn't thank you more. It's just been awesome.
Awesome. That is amazing success. And in 1 month, that is like a 10x return, which is
1,000%. Yeah, over 1,000% I made in 1 month, just from your strategies and just from what you've put out in the Discord.
Based on what it cost you to join and what you've made and the group itself and just overall the education I provide, is it worth it?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, people need to understand that your Discord community is insane. I made, in the span of a month, I made 12 new friends that have just been helping me and explaining to me trades that I haven't even thought about taking that were put out from you, and just explaining explain the trades and give me an overall better understanding of how your Discord works. And if anybody's thinking of joining the Discord, 100% please go through those training modules. They're step by step, and obviously they'll learn at your pace. So if you can't do it some days, it's okay. But those training modules really gave me a baseline of how to actually do the options, how to take Corey's trades. And once I got to the module, personally, I got through it in a week. I just destroyed them all. I love learning. After that, I started to take trades, and it was just profits from there. Unbelievable. And I just couldn't thank Corey more.
You heard what my student Xander had to say, and I have hundreds of students that are doing the exact same thing. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar this Saturday. Now let's talk about Palantir. Palantir is not a speculative AI stock. It's the fundamental operating system for the modern defense enterprise operations. Through their artificial intelligence platform, their AIP, Palantir has done what no other software company has achieved, translating enterprise AI interest into instant, hyper monetizable, multi-million-dollar contracts through their AIP boot camps. Look at Palantir's staggering fundamentals. Palantir's U.S. commercial revenue is exploding at 70% year over year, billions of cash on the balance sheet, and generating massive free cash flow margins over 30%. When interest rates drop, major corporations free up capital expenditures, CapEx. That money flows directly into deploying Palantir's AIP across supply chains, logistics, and data infrastructure. People complain about Palantir's valuation, but look at the forward multiple contraction. Palantir's earnings are growing so fast that their forward PE ratio is rapidly compressing. Wall Street analysts from Citi and Northland Securities have upgraded Palantir to buy, with price targets stretching from $190 to $235 a share. As AI deployment accelerates into Q4, Palantir is set to dominate the enterprise tech landscape. The writing is on the wall. The labor market job loss yesterday proves economic cooling. Tomorrow's CPI report is about to unlock the Federal Reserve rate cut dominoes, and SoFi and Palantir are holding the highest convictions of fundamental setups in the entire market going into the end of the year. Do not get left behind watching fake AI bots or panicking over clickbait headlines with Michael Burry. Get real institutional data, master technical execution, and position yourself like smart money, like Warren Buffett. Click the link in the information box below to register for my Masterclass webinar this Saturday, August 15th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Log in your spot before I close the registrations, and I will see you on Saturday. Let's crush. Be safe in this market. Remember, it's risky. Protect your capital. Be safe. Do your due diligence. There's no guarantees in the market. It's very volatile, very risky. Protect your money. Be patient, and make sure everything I talk about fits your own personal goals and needs before you execute any plan. I'll see you Saturday. Stay safe, fam.